everyone, this is Gautami. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gautami Tech Skills. In this Python series, we are going to learn keywords in Python. Let's begin. What is mean by keywords? Keywords in Python are reserved words that have special meanings and serve specific purposes in the language syntax. What is the meaning of this? Every word has a special meaning. You can use these keywords when there is a requirement. Like you can see here, few of the keywords are listed out. Usually in Python there are 35 keywords. If you want to list out in practical what are the keywords available in the Python, let's open Jupyter Notebook, and I already renamed my Jupyter file as a keywords, and I already given heading as keywords. Let's list out the keywords in Python. In order to list out the keywords in Python, first we need to import our module in our application. Remember, whenever you want to use the logic present in our built-in modules, make sure you imported that module. Use a keyword called import and write the module name as keyword. Run the file. If you see, you got this number, which means you have imported the module successfully. Now, there is a variable present in this module called kwlist. So, what is mean by variable? We are going to discuss those and all in the coming videos. First, we are going to list out the keywords. Keywords and all stored in this variable. In order to display it, you have to use a variable called kwlist, and you need to prefix this module name before this variable name. How to prefix it? Write the module name as keyword dot and kwlist. I want to print it, so you just keep this complete line inside the print function and run it. Now you are going to see the keywords what and all present in our Python. So what and all I listed here, those we can see in practical using this variable kwlist, which is present in the module keyword. Now I said that there are 35 keywords in Python. In order to display that length of this list, we are going to use a function called a len function. We already discussed, in order to give information about the Python code, we will make use of the symbol called hash symbol. Now this is comment. Len function is going to give the length of the list of this kwlist. Now what I am going to do, I'll just keep this complete line inside the len function. I need to print the output, so this complete you should put inside the print function. Again I am repeating, in order to print the length of the keyword, I am just keeping keyword.kwlist inside the len function. This len function will give the length of the list of the keyword. Now this complete thing I kept in the print function in order to display the output. Just run it. You can see 35 tells number of keywords available in the Python. Now come back to the PPT. Python keywords cannot be used as the name of the variables, functions and classes or any other identifiers. Yes, it's true. Whenever you are creating an identifier called variables, functions or some other thing, you should not make use of the keyword. So what and all these identifiers we'll going to discuss in the coming video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like my video, share and comment below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you for watching.